Fiona, the Young Adult Librarian at Plain Edge Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun animal mask using just a paper plate and some construction paper. I love Animal from the Muppets. He's one of my favorites. So it's a really fun craft for me, and I hope you have a fun time too. Let's get started. For today's craft, we need orange paint and a paintbrush, glue stick, scissors, black marker, pencil, paper plate. We need a couple of sheets of red construction paper, orange construction paper, white construction paper, pink construction paper, and black construction paper. And you'll also need this template for the face, which I will attach to the video as a PDF so you can print it out yourself. So what we're going to do first is paint our plate orange to make the background of the face. So you just want to paint the whole plate. So while we're waiting for the plate to dry, we want to get the rest of the face together. So we're going to take the stencil and we're going to cut out each one so we can trace it. So this one here, the big on the bottom, is the mouth. And we're going to cut out each of these and then we can start building the face. Okay, so I've cut out all my pieces for the face. I'm going to start out with anything that's white. So to begin with, I'm going to need to do the eyes and the teeth. So you want to fold your paper in half because you need two eyes. And we're going to be drawing in the circle in the middle, so you don't need to worry about that. So you just want to trace that. Okay, and then for the teeth, we need 5 that are this size and 2 that are this size. Okay, so we have our black paper in the mouth, so we're just gonna trace that. And you want to hold on to your black paper because we're going to be using that for the eyebrows as well. Okay, so now we have the mouth and the teeth. So what you want to do is start with one of the taller teeth and put it right in the center here. And you want it to hang down a little over the bottom of the mouth. We're going to cut that off once we've glued all the teeth in. So we'll start out with that one in the center there. And then we're going to go tall teeth around, and then the 2 flatter teeth will be on either end. And again, you want to hang them over just a little bit. So now that we have everything in place, what we're going to do is just flip it over and we're just going to cut that to trim it. So now we have the mouth ready. We'll go on to the next step. to start gluing everything together. So we're going to take the mouth, we're going to glue that on. Okay, and the tongue should go right there in the top of the mouth. So we'll glue that on as well. And then we want to glue on our eyes. Okay, and these go directly underneath the eyes. I'm just going to glue those on. Like so. Now we're going to glue on the nose. And you'll see it's going to kind of meet with the mouth. That's completely fine. It's kind of how he looks. Like so. And then we just want to draw pupils in the eyes. So I think you'll see it's starting to look like animal. So then the next thing we need to do is take some of our leftover black construction paper and scissors, and we're going to cut out some small curved black pieces to make his bushy eyebrows. So you just want to cut out small pieces. They can be any size, really. You just want to make it look like his little eyebrows. Well, big eyebrows, really. So we're going to cut those out, and then we're going to glue those on. So now that we have the face glued on, we're going to take some of the black strips that we've cut out, and we're going to start gluing them on to make eyebrows. And if you know what animal looks like, you know he's got crazy eyebrows, so you can kind of go a little bit nuts gluing on the eyebrows, and it won't be too much. So we can start just gluing them on, and we can also trim anything. It's a little too long. So we'll just start gluing those on. Okay, so now that we have his eyebrows on, we need to add the last step, which is the fur. And like the eyebrows, we need the strips to be thin and kind of curved. So an easy way to do that is to take your construction paper and you want to fold it in half. And then what you want to do is basically cut out a semicircle as big as you can. And then what you can do is take the semicircle and cut small strips to the middle. And And then if you just cut the middle part, you have 2 strips right there. And you want to keep doing that. And we need to do this mostly in red, but we'll want a little bit of orange as well for highlights. And then we'll start adding the fur on. So you just want to sort of glue the side here, and then we'll just start adding them. And you can do a bunch of different lengths. And with the smaller pieces, what we can do is also add them here, because he has a little mustache. And we'll sort of tuck them under the nose so you can't see. So that's what we're gonna do, is we're gonna start adding these strips on. So here you can see our finished animal paper plate. It's actually pretty simple to make, and it comes out looking really cool. So I hope that you had fun. Stay tuned for more crafts, and thanks for watching.